Amidst the water shortage, on March 22nd, on the occasion of World Water Day, Bengaluru tries to save every drop of water and tries to build a sustainable practice for the same. Now, Bengaluru has tried saving water in the most Bengaluru way. The city's Water Supply Board marked the occasion with an installation drive for tap aerators in buildings, commercial establishments, restaurants, luxury hotels, industries, and other public areas to save water. The water consumption would be measured again after 30 days to understand the difference, and there is a fine of Rs 5,000 if the users fail to follow the orders. Additionally, there are restrictions on the usage of water during Holi celebrations. Amidst this water shortage, tenants have now prioritized the demand for the Cauvery pipeline in the building, which is making it difficult for real estate owners, especially in the new areas of the city.
We will take up measures in next 30 days to implement these 5 principles and reduce the water consumption at the end of the 30 days. Whatever the today's consumption will be baseline, and after the initiatives 30 days, what is the per day consumption as how much it is reduced, that will be measured based on the efforts taken by the hotels or any other commercial establishment or industrial establishment or apartment colonies. These are the 4 different categories we are launching. So today we are launching for hotels, tomorrow we are going to launch for apartments. That will be the next second challenge. Then we will go to the industry, then we will go to other places. So like this, we will keep this momentum. These 5 principles, Panchasutra, will bring lot of self-sufficiency to Bengaluru, and we hope that this momentum will get lot of public support and support from the media and other friends. So the 5 principles are: first principle is use of water efficient technology. Yesterday I have demonstrated certain principles like using simple device of about 50-60 rupees to 200 rupees devices in your water taps. You can save minimum 30% water. Why do you waste the money by letting the water to go into the drains, which can be effectively used? So the first principle is use of water efficient technology. Second principle is use of eco-friendly treated water. As I already told, we are generating so much eco-friendly treated water. Unfortunately, we are all letting into the drains, including hotels and apartments. They have their own sewage treatment plant. Many of the time they use about 30 to 40% of the eco-treated water. Remaining 70% will go into the drains, which will add up to the flood in case of rain. So this is a one solution for twin problems. Both drought and flood can be handled if you are able to use the treated water effectively and find an optimum usage of water inside the premises where it is being generated.
Now let us know in the comments below, how are you trying to save water to save our city? Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Solar Digital for more such updates.